Hope experiment is your query, so that's why I'm making here video of this hope experiment again. So in hope experiment, first of all, understand the diagram. Cylinder and this cylinder. Okay, first we will take a cylinder, and then we have surrounded a container, you can say we have surrounded a metallic, you can say metallic or whatever you can take. A container is surrounded by this cylindrical, okay, by this cylindrical this cylinder. You can see here that if you have a container, just do one hole and then insert a tube in it. So I hope so now you can imagine how it looks. Because in diagram, what happened actually here, some students are understanding that this is inside the cylinder. It is not inside the cylinder, it is surrounded by the cylinder. Okay, like if you have a one box and you will do a hole in it and then you will insert your pen, so it will be, the box will be surrounded by the pen. So similarly here also, okay, the cylinder, this tumbler is surrounded by this cylinder. So in this tumbler, what first of all, let's look here that we have attached two thermometers, T1 at A and TB at T2. Okay, and why I have written 0 degrees 4 and 4 degrees Celsius, because I observed that after some time this thermometer will read only 0 degrees Celsius and this thermometer will read only 4 degrees Celsius. Now let's see how. And in this tumbler we will mix a freezing mixture. Freezing mixture means ice and salt, and we will put salt so that ice will not melt. So now if I will pour here a water at, suppose, normal temperature we are taking, like 14 degrees Celsius. Okay, at 14 degrees Celsius, which is a room temperature, normal temperature, I pour water in this. So what will happen, means now because we put this freezing mixture in this tumbler. Okay, means after putting water in at 4 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Celsius, that will measure as 14 degrees Celsius, it will read as 14 degrees Celsius. But now I put some freezing mixture in this tumbler. So if I will put I will pour this freezing mixture in this tumbler, so what will happen next, means the surrounded part will start cooling. Okay, means it will cool this surrounded part. Obviously this pen is there, so if container is outside, so it will, this part will be start cooling. So when this part starts cooling, so whatever the molecules are there on this molecules are all over there, but I'm telling about this surrounding part because these molecules will cool up. And you know that cool molecules will sink. When cool molecules will sink, temperature is, you can say, changing. Okay, changing. It's not like that it's same as 14 degrees Celsius. Obviously when I pour a freezing mixture, so it will change, so temperature is changing. So what happened actually in this changing of the temperature, what's going on, that the cold molecules are sinking, and obviously these are comparatively, you can say that they are not cold, so they are hot comparatively, so they will hot, they will go up. Okay, they will go up. So this process will continue after till this all molecules come here, they will sink here. Now no more molecules will sink. Why? Because these molecules are having more density than these molecules. Okay, having more density than these molecules. And then this thermometer will read 4 degrees Celsius. Now it will read 4 degrees Celsius only, it will not change. This thermometer temperature will not change, it will read only 4 degrees Celsius. So all high density molecules are below. Now how means where they will go, the molecules, those who have come up, they will rise up because they are not, they cannot sink, so they will rise up. Now when they will rise up, because these are the, you can say, all molecules have gone here in this. So whatever the molecules that is gone here, so they will rise up and they will reach to the surface of this level of, suppose this is the level of water, they will reach to this surface of water. They will reach to the surface of water when temperature, obviously temperature is decreasing. When temperature comes on 0 degrees Celsius, and the 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of the water, then what will happen, this layer will become ice. This layer will become ice. Okay, and it will not it will float only. Okay, so this part of the ice will become ice, this part of this layer will become ice, and this thermometer now will read as 0 degrees Celsius. Now it will not change. So this is what is, you can say, explaining the enormous expansion of the water, that between 0 degree and 4 degrees Celsius, lower part is not iced, only in the upper part is iced. Okay, so why? Because there this density is, then say why, and why it will float, because the hair density of this part is greater than this, therefore it floats. Now I hope you understood why ice floats, because of the density. So this is what your hope experiment tells, that there's enormous expansion is there, or you can say it's shown between 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degree Celsius. So this is your what hope experiment.